Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. The safe to do a Dutch pour craft table today. And I belong to several acrylic pouring groups on Facebook. And in one of them, one of the ladies had said that she had tried the Dutch pour, liked the results, didn't like what it did to her dining room. And I can relate. My studio, so-called studio, is actually in my dining room. And after I do Dutch pours or any kind of paint pouring, it looks more like a crime scene. So I decided it was time to figure out how to do a safe one. And actually it's quite simple. I walked out on my back porch. There was this large box. This is a big box. Got it from Amazon, I'm pretty sure. And plopped it down. Put a puppy piddle pad. I can still say it. And there you go. Blow all you want. You could actually do a spin pour in here with no problem. This is a 12 by 12 tile. If you have bigger canvases, you might have a little bit of a problem. This is as big as I'm going to be getting for quite a while until I actually learn what I'm doing. But this is how to do it. This way you've got plenty of room. Your hair blower or whatever you're using to blow has plenty of room both back and forth. Boxes, you can get them free. Check your grocery stores, any of your shops and stores around there. If you tell them that you need a box, even Walmart. If you happen to be, they get shipping all the time. If you need a large box, mention it. Say, I just really need a large empty box, and if it's not, if it's too tall, I cut it down. I flipped over and smushed the top part down inside. That's all there is to it. Don't let little things like a mess stop you from making beauty. Honestly, make art. It's fun. The messier, the better. You know me. I love making messes. So this is just one little idea. You could do it outside if you like, but the way Mother Nature's been acting lately, probably wouldn't get to paint much. Find a box. Put your canvas in a box. I have some cups down there. Setting canvas with the push pins. That's all there is to it. Make your mess. And I have the pad down. That way I can keep this box for as long as I need it. It won't soak in and it won't soak through. That's all there is to it. And if you do it right, if you push the sides out when you're done, you could close it up. It'll keep the dust and any critter fur, flies off of it. Cheap. Easy to find. That's all there is to it. And I hope you enjoyed this little tip. I hope it helped. And by all means, don't be afraid to make messes. Use your creativity. It makes you happy. It makes other people happy. Enjoy your week. I promise to see you soon. Bye-bye now.